It has been a whopping, beautiful 10 months with instasmile. Here's another video for you guys. I am going to show you what my teeth look like without and with. Okay, here. Everyone see? They're great, right? Okay. Okay, ready? Yeah, put your nails underneath here. Ah, I have something stuck in there. Spices. See, I gotta brush my teeth. I didn't brush my teeth. All right. Oh my Lord. This is what they are. Okay, that's without. I'm gonna do the tops for you too, okay? See the difference? Ew. I remember back when I said embrace the drool. Yeah, it's, oh my God, I look like one of those scary movie, like people with the yellow teeth, like, There they are. There they are. Oh God. Okay, the only reason I am doing this, before I did little bits by little bits, is for you guys. That's it. Because this is going out to a lot of people. Like, my one video has like 8,000 views, and guess what? As you can see, I'm talking different. Like, I don't show my teeth as much as I do with these, because without them, I feel self-conscious. And like I said, they're just yellow. If I go like that, there, like you can't see how they are. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. But instasmile, the company, put a comment on my video. Want to see someone poop a brick? Yeah, that was me. I pooped a brick. But again, still not sponsored. I don't know what I would do. I'd probably just get an extra pair because I love these. Okay, this is what they are. And you can see they're kind of gross. And I'm still looking for the best way to clean them. Still brush them. I still brush them. Don't brush them. You're not supposed to. instasmile says no, no. But, okay, right here, right there is the fake tooth. Wrong side. You can tell I love these things so much that I wear them all the time. I don't even know what side it is on. Okay, right there. Right there is the tooth. And what they did was they put a spacer in. So, if you listen real quiet, I know I should have shut my pool pump off and stuff, but I was too excited to make this video for you guys. There's a chipmunk. And I'm outside. There's a chipmunk. It just needs to stay in the yard and not come on my porch. Okay, so taking these. Okay, listen. I don't know if you heard the pop real good because I didn't really do it on this side. Okay. Look at that. Yay! Okay, I feel so much better with them in. Like, I start to sweat when I don't have them in. Is that wrong? Like, at work, I don't talk to a lot of people. I don't wear them at work because I eat the whole entire shift. Okay. Okay, this is crazy. I'll feel better. I'll feel normal now that I have my teeth in. Okay, yeah, gross background. But, worth it. I got the classics. I've had them for 10 months now. In the very beginning, I did have a lisp. I don't anymore. I'm sitting really close to this camera for you guys. Yeah, I got the BL white. So my teeth are pretty white, but next to these and stuff, they look just yellow. And to be honest with you, in the last 10 months, I have not bleached my teeth at all. No bleach. The enamel is pretty much hardly existent anymore. So I'm not going to do any more damage to them, period. You know, these are perfect, perfect. And a lot of people say when they get their, and these are the classics, I don't eat them. I try to keep them as nice as possible. Like anyone who does these instasmile reviews for you guys or updates, it takes a lot for us to do this for you. We don't mind showing you this, the end product. It's awesome. But you have to remember, could you imagine if you went to, you know, put yourself out there for millions of people with your teeth that you aren't happy with? Yeah, I might have all my teeth except one. Yeah, they're not that yellow. I'm not missing a front tooth. All those things. I understand that. But it's a big deal for every single one of these reviewers to put themselves out there so you guys have a better understanding of the company and are not wasting your money and making sure that you're getting what you want. This is what I want. This makes me smile again. It's huge. It's huge, especially since I had this smile 20 years ago. 20 years ago. So be nice in the comments, not only on my videos, of course, but everyone else's. They're trying and they're putting themselves out there so you guys can make sure that you're getting the best product for your money. So if you're still watching this with me ranting about people being nice on the internet, leave a tooth emoji. I want to see a whole bunch of tooth emojis or smile emojis or something like that in the comments. You're helping these videos get out. All right, I'm going to do it one more time. These are the classics. I do not eat in these. I've had them for 10 months and I'm telling you what, unbelievable. If I can figure out how to get my white hair to blend in with things. Oh, I did go blonde. I did go blonde, guys, because my white hair blends in a little bit better. But these are amazing. I'm going to pop them out one more time, and I'm already starting to sweat, like just because I have to take them out. Okay. Let me get a little closer for you guys because I love you and I wish people would have done this for me when I was looking to buy these because I researched it for a year. If you are even thinking about it, get the classics, get the cheapest one, have low expectations, but do it. That's what I have to say. Okay, here I go. Ready? Okay, you seen them? Oh, put my hand behind them. Don't mind it, I got stung by a bee. Okay, there they are. Taking the top ones out again. Anyone with retainers knows. Okay, that's the whore. Oh my God, I can't believe I do this for you guys. Oh, all right, let me put them back in. They're locked in, and this is what they look like. So again, BL Classics. I love instasmile. Best product you can buy. It's priceless. It is.